Crypto God NYC here with another tutorial. I'm gonna teach you guys how to turn your Google Stadia controller into a regular PC controller, because Google just killed the program. They said they gave up, so here we are. They did give us an update, so all you have to do is go to switch to Bluetooth mode, connect your controller, click on that, click switch to Bluetooth mode, accept the terms and conditions. It wants us to connect. Connect one more time. Click continue. Connect. Next step. Now they want you to unplug your controller. Hold down the 3 buttons, plug it back in. Alright, now press the 3 buttons, the system button, A and Y. Yeah, just hold it down to unlock. Oh, add to Chrome. Next step. Alright, connect. Take this time to like, comment, and subscribe. It's gonna take a little minute. Alright, now we're good. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna go update, check for updates, click continue. Alright, everything is fully updated. So now control panel, go to devices, Bluetooth. I know I just did that, fucked that part up. And there you go. Let's see, turn on Bluetooth. Make sure the device is discoverable. Pops up. Connecting. Now we're good. We're ready to go. So just to redo that step, you went to control panel, you went to device and printers, you turned on Bluetooth, and then connected the Google Stadia. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.